So nakita naman po ninyo that we are in the process of gradual opening ng ating movement ng paggalaw ng tao from their place of residence to the place of work. At sa ating ilalim ito ng General Community Quarantine. Itong mga lugar na hindi pa binuksan o tinatawag namin which are under the modified lockdown, ito yung para nakita namin na talagang kailangan para hindi lalala ang sitwasyon. At maaari, since there is already the opening, a gradual opening, titingnan natin kung pwede ba to. Kasi kung babalik tayo sa dati, if the contamination will be as fast as before, and it will continue to infect yung nakalabas na, then we'll have to just go back to the original the program. But hindi ito nalaman ng mga nandito ngayon. A pharmaceutical called Moderna, I think I heard South Africa or I don't know what is the legal residence of this corporation. But meron na silang tests, tests na showing positive results. Meron ng vaccine, but ang problema, it will be ready, according to them, by 2021 pa. January at the earliest. So kung ganon, huwag ka sanang mamatay hanggang January. Hintayin mo yung vaccine. Pag tinawag ka ng kamatayan, sabihin mo, putang ina ka, umalis ka dyan. Kamay nahintay ako ng vaccine. Hindi ko ba panahon mamatay? Yan ang good news talaga. That is what I was really hoping for. The vaccine. Because ang kalaban ng vaccine, isa lang talaga. It's ang kalaban ng COVID. It's the vaccine that can really fight the infection. Wala nang iba. Yung sariling katawan mo lang. Walang medisina, walang antibiotic. It's the germ nurtured also in your body to fight. Yan ang pag-asa natin. In the meantime, pakiusap ako sa labas, sundin lang po ninyo yung mask at saka yung pag-ubo. Magbili kayo ng panyo, baski yung murahin lang. Tapos, try to cover, kung may sipon ka o ubo ka, try to cover your mouth bago ka, tsaka medyo patagalin mo ng konti, huwag mo kaagad. Siguro, mabuti niya, lunukin mo yung germs na inubo mo para swallow it back so that it will not contaminate others. Wala akong ibang explanation ko. Pag mag-ubo ka, kailan mo tanggalin? Well, ako, what I do, sana ano man yung alcohol kung yun. May ano ako, magbili kayo ng alcohol na maliit. Yeah. Without, I will not, baliktarin ko lang kasi hindi ako mag-advertise eh. Kaibigan ko pala pero hindi bawal eh. Every time that you feel like touching something or baski ano, Wala mang handshaking, babay-babay mo lang. Kung maggalaw-galaw ka, up down, before you touch your nose, eyes, mag-alcohol ka muna. Of course, it will dry your hands, but that's only temporary. Tingnan mo si Bong, kaya malayo sa ano. Iniinom mo pa ata yung bunga. So, ang dapat malaman po ninyo, whether you are really allowed under the law to go out or those who are allowed to pursue your occupation, remember this: the loosening of the restriction, yung panluwang ng gobyerno ng restriction does not mean wala na ang COVID. COVID will remain with us until such time that nabakunahan tayong lahat. Hindi sabihin na may bakuna na at successful na at okay na. Hanggang hindi ka matusukan ng vaccine, you are still in danger. And even if you are really vaccinated, you're still put at the risk if you are not really careful. So, hindi ito ibig sabihin na wala na. Nandyan pa yan. The corona will not disappear. It is here for all time. Kaya lang, kung may bakuna ka na, yung mga anak natin, kita mo, diphtheria, tetanus, kaya yung mga new generation, medyo okay na sila. Nandyan yung virus, but yung virus, yung virus, hindi na pwedeng gumana. Kaya yan ang sekreto dyan kung bakit gano'n. Diphtheria noon, marami pang mga sakit, kailangan na bakuna. But during their time, they were really very lethal. Kaya lang, nung naka-imbento ng bakuna, nandito pa sila, pero lahat naman ng mga anak ninyo, butit nasabi ko na. Meron pang iba sa probinsya na ayaw ipabakuna yung mga anak ninyo. Kindly, yung mga ngayong lahat kayong mga nanay pati tatay, see to it that your children are vaccinated by tetanus, diphtheria, may ubo pa, para wala sila. Yun yung mga deadly na germs noon. Kaya lang, hindi na umuubra ngayon kasi lahat tayo, pati ako, na bakunahan na eh. Yan ang ibig sabihin dyan. Yung sabi ni Secretary Lopez, totoo yun. There is no requirement that kailangan ka magpa-test. It's not a requirement. It is not a mandatory requirement. Yung talagang must. Kundi kung ginusto lang ng empleyado mo, ay yung employer mo, rather. Pero kung ginusto nila, sige, pag you are found to be positive, then you go to the motions of getting the proper treatment. It is not a requirement by DOLE or the DTI. No such requirement exists. Nandito ho tayo sa ulitin kong social distancing, the wearing of the mask, the regular of washing of the hands, baski anong sabon, basta sabon, at yung mga proper cuffed etiquette. Yun nga yung sabi ko na huwag mong buksan yung bunganga mo, cover your mouth, have a handkerchief ready para naman sa kapwa mo tao. Then, yung mga employer, you must provide an ideal working conditions. For example, well ventilated, may hangin pumapasok, lumalabas, na presko, at yung i-disinfect ninyo. Yung nakakuha, sa uli na lang ninyo kasi talagang yeriin. The 18 million will be ready, and we are prioritizing the 5 million na hindi nakatanggap. Ngayon, magtipid tayo. Gusto natin na bigyan lahat. Ang problema ho, wala tayong kita. Alam mo naman ninyo, wala nagbabayad ng buwis for all of the months that we were under a lockdown or a quarantine. So, remember that we are short of tax collections. And kayo na ho umiintindi, lahat naman tayo nagdudusa. And hindi naman natin gusto to. Isa pa, I'm looking for money to balikan ko ulit dito kasi nag-usapan tayo ng pera na may pera ako pangbili ng vaccine just in case somebody else would beat the Moderna to the vaccine. I think China has already won. We're just waiting for the announcement. Many countries are on the verge of malapit na sila sa vaccine. Naghahabulan, but judging from the time the COVID started up to now, I'm sure that they have made a lot of progress in finding the vaccine. Kahanap na sila. Kailangan may pera ako niyan kasi bili ka agad tayo. May gusto ko nga sana magpabili, pero sabi ni Secretary Dominguez na ayaw niya kasi kung magpabili daw ako ngayon, ang presyo mura kasi it's the buyer's option siya yung magsabi kung magkano, hindi naman tayo nagpapabili, tayo nangailangan. Sabi niya na you'll have would get a bad deal at this time. I agree, but yung akin naman that sana kung magkawala-wala na talaga ng pera, aywan ko kung saan tayo magkuha pa. Madali na siguro. Basta may vaccine na, pwede na tayong makiram. Itong kaso ni Sinas, General Sinas ng sa National Capital Region Commander, ako yung ayaw na malipat siya. He is a good officer. He's an honest one. And hindi niya kasalanan kung may magharana sa kanya sa birthday niya. At kung yun naman sabi na nakikita hindi naka-mask, siyempre may mga merienda yan, may pagkain. Alang-alang naman kainin nila pati yung mask. Hindi tanggalin talaga nila. Kainan yun Hindi ako sangayon. I will not just, hindi ako ganun. Pinag-aralan ko yung merits at demerits. Kailangan ko yung tao. Mas kailangan ko yung tao dito sa trabaho niya. Marami yan silang, they're all competent. But you know, seniority, it is his time to be there. And I do not believe in just firing him because kinantahan siya ng happy birthday. Maski ako, kita ka, nung birthday ako, walang kumanta sa akin. Ako lang mag-isa. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, ako lang kumanta sa sarili ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Yun lang. Well, kanya-kanyang ano eh. I'm sure na kung alam ni Sinas yan, hindi siya pumayag. Pero kung nandyan na rin, manyanita nga. Sabi mo, the law is the law. Well, akin na yun. It's my responsibility. But I will not order his transfer. He stays there until further orders. So yan lang po for this night. I hope that we have cleared na nasabi namin yung gusto namin na sabihin para maintindihan ninyo. Mga kababayan ko, I hope na paski na papano na we were able to convey, na paabot namin ang mensahe ng gobyerno sa inyo at na we were also able to answer some of your questions. Tsaka mabuti ang alam ninyo na everything is transparent, lalo na sa bilyon-bilyon na binigay. I assure you we will be able to account for it, except those who were malversed by the officials down dito sa local governments na nawala. Then they have to answer for it. But otherwise, to the last centavo, na naibigay namin sa tao ang programa sa gobyerno. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. See you next time.